climbing, sir. You went hands here afterwards?
No,
or no, you just went here and
two.
here and all the way up?
Yeah, so I went
Holy shit.
right toe right in the corner.
You want me to tell you my sequence, Chris?
No. I'm giving him.
Oh man, I lost that hand quick.
Yeah, get your right foot up, and then kind of snap. Yeah, there you go.
Climbing, dude. Climb on, buddy. Hey, buddy, I'm not your guy. Hey, guy. Buddy, pal.
Chris, you might need to step over this rope. Yeah.
God, man. Dan's got this type of stuff. Yeah. Tim's Canadian, so it's... Hey, I'm Canadian too. No way.
Nuh-uh.
Makes a lot of sense. Yeah, don't let them look to see you. I am Canadian.
Clipped. Hey, Rob. You know, just doing a little climbing. Suppose I can clip here.
Might be easier to clip that and undo the one below you because it'll create a drag.
Okay. Clipped. I think so. She's sleeping. I'm so sleepy. I'm just really tired right now. Dan, is this the part that you really did not like?
I just went around.
No, I didn't like this one.
Did you?
What?
I got freaked out by a piece of grass. That's so sad. Like, what is that?
Is that ledge there positive?
I don't know. I think
It's slightly positive, pretty flat.
All right.
Really good right hand. Really good shot.
this is where I had trouble with getting that other foot up.
Most people heel hook.
Other right hand.
Can you
Whew.
Well, I'm trying to think about this, dude.
Just don't rattle that metal piece.
Words of wisdom by Tim Coleman. Clipping. Clipped. Oh, this is a nice ledge. Not.
Clipping.
Whew. I didn't know I was that stretchy. And there's Rob being Gumby over there. Clipping. Clipped. All right. Now, where do I want to go? Oh.
Too much jack. Hey,
oh, that was great. I'm just glad you didn't sneeze on me. There are not many feet over here.
Me too.
I need more feet. Yeah, that's a good one.
Now clipping.
Yes. Good.
Take.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Thank you.
Clipping.
Oh, that was a nice step.
Clipped.
Is this? Where's the wall shit?
Is where the tree is.
Oh.
Hey, you know that all that chalk up to the left that looks really good? Yeah, right there.
There? Here?
No, right where that tree sprout is.
Okay. Dano, I'm gonna climb now. Never mind. Take again. Not yet. Thank you.
That's good.
I have to move this way. Right foot there. And then. Sorry, I see what I'm saying.
Good, take.
Alright, Dano, just a little bit of slack here.
Woo!